The hammock strap. So there's going to be a part up here that's got the loop on it. There's a loop at the end, and then what you do is that this here end is the end that doesn't have any more hoops in it. Okay, and so what you do is you wrap that end around the tree by itself, and then you just stick the other end with all the loops on it through it. So wrap that around, and it should be where the wording is out, because there's some stuff on the back that should be against the tree. So wording should be out, and the end of this here is where you then take the other end with all the loops on it and loop it through here. So this should be looking like that around the tree at about 6 foot up, and then all the looped ends, so this will snug tight up against the tree and not hurt it, and then all the looped ends are where you can snap in the carabiner at whatever height you want from the hammock.